In today's video, I'll walk you through on the way that you can update your address and contact info inside of Revolut. If you've now changed your address or your phone number or any of your contact info, you can easily update it from the settings of your Revolut account. Once you are inside of your Revolut account, in order to change or update your address, you need to tap on the profile icon, which is on the top left of the screen. So just tap on it. From the profile section of your Revolut account, this section will open up. You need to head over to the option which says account. The account option might be in a different place depending upon the app version. So make sure you find the option which says account and then just tap on it. Once you tap on account, inside you're going to see a few various options as well. Inside of account, you're going to see a few various options as well. In order to change your account details, tap on the personal details option. From here, it's going to show you all of your information such as your name, your rev tag, date of birth, and your residential address. In order to update your address, just tap on the address option and you'll be able to update your address manually, such as the country, street address, the postal code as well. Similarly, you can also do the same for the phone number as well. Tap on the phone number option and then remove the existing phone number that you have and then add in a new one. In order to change your phone number, you'll need to first of all receive a code, which you will do after adding in a new number, and then verify the phone number by adding in the code that you received. So that was the process on the way that you update your address and contact info on Revolut. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.